How to download Roblox on laptop and PC. This tutorial shows you how to install Roblox on your Windows computer. First, open any web browser on your PC like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. After that, go to roblox.com in the address bar. From there, click on the Login or Sign Up button if you need to create an account. At this point, once logged in, click on any game you want to play. In the next step, click the green Play button on the game page. Following this, a pop-up will appear asking you to download Roblox. Once done, click Download and install Roblox at the bottom. From here, the Roblox Player Launcher.exe file will download to your computer. At this stage, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer file. After this, Roblox will automatically install on your PC. Once completed, the game will launch automatically after installation finishes. Finally, you can now play Roblox games directly on your Windows computer. And that's it. If this Roblox installation guide helped you get started on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.